Put a tick mark against the correct option in the space given. 66 degree 30 minutes north parallel means options are Arctic Circle, Equator and Antarctic Circle. Correct option is Arctic Circle. Which parallel bisects the Earth? Options are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. Correct option is Equator. What is the angular distance of the Arctic Circle from North Pole? 66 degree 30 minutes, 90 degree, 23 degree 30 minutes. Correct option is 23 degree 30 minutes. Where do the prime meridian and the equator intersect each other? Options are Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and African continent. Correct option is Atlantic Ocean. Up to which parallels from the equator can the sun's rays be perpendicular? Options are Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic and Antarctic circles, North and South poles. Correct option is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. What would be the latitude of a place on the South Pole? 90 degree south, 90 degree north, 0 degree. Correct option is 90 degree south. Read the following statements and correct the wrong ones. While describing the location of a place, mentioning the meridian is sufficient. Wrong. While describing the location of a place, mentioning the meridian as well as parallel is essential. For describing the extent of a region, it is necessary to assume the latitude and longitude of the center of the adjoining region. Wrong. For describing the extent of a region, it is necessary to assume two latitudes and two longitudes at the extreme ends of the adjoining region. Location of a road can be described only with the map. Wrong. Location of a road can be described by a map as well as by GIS, GPS, etc. 0 degree east meridian and 180 degree east meridian. Wrong. 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point at the end. Wrong. The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point as well as longitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point as well as latitude of a point at the end. 8 degree 4 minutes north parallel to 37 degree 66 minutes north parallel is the correct description of a location. Wrong. 8 degree 4 minutes north parallel to 37 degree 66 minutes north parallel is the incomplete description of a location as it expresses only a latitudinal spread of a location. Find the locations of following cities from a world map, a map of India or a globe and write down the latitude and longitude of each of them. Mumbai 19 degree north latitude and 73 degree east longitude. Guwahati 26 degree north latitude and 91 degree east longitude. Srinagar 34 degree north latitude and 75 degree east longitude. Bhopal 23 degree north latitude and 77 degree east longitude. Chennai 13 degree north latitude and 80 degree east longitude. Ottawa 45 degree north latitude and 76 degree west longitude. Tokyo 36 degree north latitude and 140 degree east longitude. Johannesburg 26 degree south latitude and 28 degree east longitude. New York 41 degree north latitude and 74 degree west longitude. London 52 degree north latitude and 0 degree 8 minutes west longitude. Question number D. You have tried the answers on your own with the help of school teacher. Draw important parallels and meridians in the figure given below and label them with appropriate angular measures. Use the protractor. You have to draw parallels and meridians in this way. Also, you have to label. Note that whenever you draw parallels and meridians, you have to always use the protractor. Write the important parallels and meridians in the following table. You have to complete web type table. Important parallels are Arctic Circle 66 degree 30 minutes north, Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north, Equator 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree 30 minutes north, Antarctic Circle 66 degree 30 minutes south. Important meridians are prime meridian and 180 degree meridian. Observe figure 2.1 and 2.2 given on page 10 of the textbook and answer the following questions. You have to refer to on textbook page number 10 questions. Observe the figure and then answer the questions. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? The horizontal lines on the globe are called parallels of latitudes. What are the vertical lines on the globe called? The vertical lines on the globe are called meridians of longitudes. List the continents and oceans through which the equator passes. The continents through which the equator passes are South America, Africa, and Asia. Oceans through which the equator passes are Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Which oceans are spread in all the four hemispheres? Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean are spread in all the four hemispheres. Which continents are spread in all the four hemispheres? No continent is spread in all the four hemispheres. At which two parallels do all the meridians converge? All the meridians converge at the North Pole and the South Pole. Observe a map of India and answer the following questions given below. You have to refer to on textbook page number 12 questions. Observe a map of India and then answer the questions. Which important parallel passes through India? The Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Which areas of India do not get perpendicular sun rays? The northern areas of India that are to the north of the Tropic of Cancer do not get perpendicular sun rays. Which region of India receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year? The southern region of India that is to the south of the Tropic of Cancer receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. In which region of India is the temperature comparatively low? In the northern region of India, the temperature is comparatively low.